Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP, and you'll be learning some common adjectives used in the Philippines that you can say to describe something or someone positively. It can be really fun and useful to know these words, especially when you want to express how you think something or someone is. Surely, local people will be amused and appreciative to hear you say these words. Let's start with the most positive, Masaya. This translates to happy in English. Ma-sa-ya. Masaya. 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 Masaya ka ba? Oo, masaya ako. Masaya po ako. Tahimik. That is quiet in English. Ta-hi-mik. Tahimik. 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 Tahimik po ba dito? Oo, tahimik dito. The next one is mabango. This can mean smells good. Ma-ba-ngo. Mabango. 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 Mabango ba? Opo, mabango. Mabango po, ate. Then, there's maluwang. It means wide or spacious. Ma-lu-wang. Maluwang. 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 Maluwang pala dito? Maluwang po, kuya. Maluwang, ate. The last but definitely one of the most important, mura, which means cheap or affordable. Mura. 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 Mura lang po ba? Opo, mura po. Mura lang, ate. Mura po, kuya. Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Masaya. Tahimik. Mabango. Maluwang. Mura. Repeat these words, then you're good to go. I hope you find these common Filipino adjectives helpful the next time you go around town and encounter locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.